The damage not only here in Rochester, but also in Winona. That's where we find meteorologist Amanda Morgan tonight. Amanda, what can you show us?
Hey, good evening, Nick. I'm in Winona off of West 5th Street on the west side of town, right across from the Westfield Golf Course. And this right here is what we are seeing all over the ground, just massive chunks of tree bark. And that is from where lightning hit this huge tree behind me here. Now in Rochester, we did see that wind damage, but you can see right here, you see a little bit of char here on this tree. And that's what leads me to believe that this is from lightning that struck this tree. So this is a massive tree. Now what's left from when that tree fell after it was struck is what you see right here, this massive part of the trunk, about 20 feet long and at least 4 feet wide. Absolutely massive tree. It was across West 5th Street earlier this evening, but crews did come and at least move it off towards the side. So this massive tree, but then also behind that here you see a lot of brush, large tree limbs, lots of branches that has also been moved off towards the side. We've been seeing lots of scenes like this across Winona when we were driving around earlier this evening. Trees falling on houses and on garages, taking down a lot of power lines as they did so. People did tell me that they were out of power for about an hour, about 5:30 this evening. So crews will definitely have their work cut out for them as we head towards tomorrow morning. Live in Winona, Amanda Morgan, KTTC News.
All right, some impressive footage there. Thank you, Amanda. And